office here has had some flooding, but we're still open. Just row your boat down onto Broadway and 47th and come on in and fill out a form. Number 123 is next. Number 123.
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, Big Bird, it's you. I've watched your show since I was a little kid. Really? Thank you. Let's look at your file. It says here that you're in the entertainment industry or educational field. Well, I can vouch for that. And that you held your job for the last 43 years.
That's right.
May I ask what happened in order for you to lose your last job?
President Romney got elected. He promised to the voters that he would cut everybody at PBS.
Huh. So the new president fired you?
Yes, it's part of his new jobs program.
Okay then, let's see. It says here that you are eligible for up to 46 weeks of unemployment benefits, but only if you are actively seeking work. Are you willing to work?
Oh, sure. What's work?
You know, the stuff you've been doing for the past 40, 30 years.
Oh, you mean just be myself? That's very zen.
Well, given that your old job isn't available, you might have to expand your search somewhat. Have you thought about the fast food industry?
Oh, well, I'm not sure they'd hire someone my age. Most of the people I see behind the counters are teenagers.
Well, how old are you?
78.
Well, maybe they'll be flexible. You know the expression, the old chicken makes the best soup.
I'd rather not go there.
Well, okay then. Let's see. A hotel bellhop.
I don't fit very well into elevators.
Oh. A traffic cop.
I just tend to let people go wherever they want to go.
Well, I hate to have to tell you this, but I just don't think that today's world is going to have a place for you.
Oh my. That's very disappointing. Oh my.
You didn't happen to set aside a nest egg while you were working, did you?
Not really. I worked for Chicken Feed. I was happy just working in a semi-autonomous collective.
Well, I'm afraid that's all over now. You'll just have to move on. There's nothing I can do.
Nothing? Nothing at all?
Nothing.
It's over. It's over. I'll never get to play with Rover or Oscar or little Abby again. That is so sad. Well, okay. It's been a good run. Goodbye, Bert and Ernie. Goodbye, Cookie Monster and the Count. Goodbye, Elmo. And goodbye, Mr. Snuffleupagus. I'll miss you most of all. Goodbye, everybody. Bang!
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I killed Big Bird. I killed the dream maker for millions of children across the world. No more will little faces look up to him like a giant simpleton skyscraper. No more will he mistake the entire alphabet for a single word and sing. Abcadabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabradabrad I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see.
Somewhere in the middle, it looks awfully queer to me. the sweetest. And if I ever find out what that word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen.
Whoa! Are you all right?
Yes, I think so. The bullet seems to have only gone through the styrofoam. Hi, my name is Carol Spenny. I've been inside this costume for 43 years.
Wow, it must get pretty funky in there.
Yeah, it gets a bit gamey.
You know, the truth is, I've always wanted to get into show business myself. I've been working on some material with a puppet that looks like a toad. Say! How would you feel about teaming up to do a doubles act? We could go down to Washington Square entertaining all the people who've been displaced by Hurricane Sandy.
Well, that sounds like an excellent idea. Maybe we can meet some new friends there.
You'll have to patch a hole in the costume's head, though. And while you're at it, you should get the whole thing dry cleaned, because damn!
Okay.
Can you tell me how to get to Sesame
I feel like I need a hug now.